Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. Here we are in session 4 of steel detailing training for beginners. I always try to explain the topics from basics so that it will be easy for beginners to understand. That is important for them. In the same way, if you feel like this video is informative and helpful for you at any point of time while watching it, please do like and subscribe. This is important for me as well. In this session, mainly we discuss about why the need of surface preparation and types of surface preparation. Now, what is SSPC? SSPC means Society for Protective Coatings or Structural Steel Painting Council. Before painting any member, if we did not clean the surface to be painted, paint will not settle uniformly on the surface and it will not be durable. If you can observe, when a painter painting the wall, before painting itself, he will clean the wall by chipping or by using sandpaper so that surface of the wall will be cleaner from dust and previous paint coatings. In the same way, for structural steel also, there are different surface preparations which refers to level of cleaning. So it is very important for us to know the surface preparations to be provided before painting the structural steel. First one, SSPC SP1, solvent cleaning. In this type, we use different solvents to clean the surfaces. Generally, right after mill production, steel surfaces contains visible grease, oil, dirt and other soluble contents. We apply these solvents on the surfaces through wiping, spraying or dipping. Then we will clean the surfaces by means of brushing, scraping, etc. so that the solvent dissolves and removes the soluble contaminants. This is SP1. And next, SP2, hand tool cleaning. In this type, we prepare steel surfaces by removing loose contaminant like rust, mill scale and paint using wire brush. After this cleaning also, surface can still have some tightly adhering mill scale, rust and paint. Tightly adhering in the sense the previous stains which are tightly sticking onto the surface of the steel. This can only remove loose contaminants. After cleaning, the surface should be free from grease, oil, dust and dirts. SSPC SP3, power tool cleaning. Before power tool cleaning, surface should be cleaned with SP1 to remove oil, grease, dirt, etc. After cleaning with power tools by means of chipping, descaling, sanding and grinding, the surface will be free from loose mill scale, rust, iron and other contaminants. Power tools should be operated to prevent burrs, sharp ridges and cuts. Next, SSPC SP5, white metal blast cleaning. It refers to a structural steel surface preparation method where all visible contaminants including rust, mill scale, paint and other foreign matter are completely removed through abrasive blast cleaning. It can be done with a nozzle and with high pressure using sand, dirt and shot. Steel surfaces after this process should be clean and free of any visible imperfections. It has a uniform textured appearance. Next, SSPC SP6, commercial blast cleaning. It can be used to remove mill scale, dirt, rust and paint which are loose contaminants. It prepares a steel surface by removing contaminants like oil, grease and rust, allowing up to 33% of every 9-inch square surface area should remain stained. Means after cleaning with SSPC SP6 on the entire surface of the steel, if you take anywhere 9-inch square area, in that area stains should be maximum of 33%. Next one, brush off blast cleaning. Prepares a steel surface by removing contaminants like oil, grease and rust. In the same way, allowing up to 33% of the original surface area. But in this brush off blast cleaning, the surface of 25.4 microns will be eroded during this surface preparation. So it forms uniformly roughed surface. Next one, pickling. Complete removal of rust, dirt, grease, mill scale by means of acid pickling or electrolyte pickling. Pickling means this involves a chemical reaction between the acids that are applied, example hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid and phosphoric acid, and some electrolytes. So when they apply these acids and electrolytes, chemical reactions will form between these acids and electrolytes and the contaminants which are on the surface of the steel, so that those contaminants will be dissolved into these acids and it will be removed. That is the process of pickling. It is a costly process. Near white blast cleaning. It involves removal of oil, grease, dirt, rust, mill scale and previous coatings. Any remaining staining is limited to maximum 5% of entire surface area, which means that after cleaning the surface area of steel, you can only find maximum 5% of the stains which are remain. SSPC SP10 is often used when a high level cleaning is required, such as severe corrosive environments. It is very costly. Next, SSPC SP11, power tool cleaning to bare metal. It prepares a steel surface for painting by removing all visible contaminants and produces a specific surface profile. Before cleaning, surface will be typically covered with contaminants like oil, grease, dirt, dust, mill scale, rust, paint and oxides. After SSPC SP11, the surface should be a bare metal, free from those all contaminants. In the same way, surface profile of 25.4 microns will be eroded during this surface preparation. Next one, SSPC SP14, industrial blast cleaning. Before doing this surface preparation, surface may have oil, grease, dirt, dust, mill scale, rust, coatings, oxides and corrosion. After the surface is free from all these contaminants with traces of tightly adhering mill scale, rust or previous paints, it will allow only 10% of the surface will have stains. Now you guys will be confusing when you try to compare one surface preparation to another, or if you think SP1 and SP2 and SP3, these numbers are based on the accuracy of cleaning the surface, then you will be confused. It will not be like that. Each surface preparation method is unique. The procedures are also different. So based upon fabricator requirement and project specifications, they will follow particular surface preparation for the steel. Okay. Now for our easy understanding, here are the comparisons of SP14 with few other cleaning surface preparations. When we compare SP14 and SP7, SP7 is less cleaning than SP14 and SP6 is more cleaning than SP14. SP10 is also more cleaning than SP14. SP5 is the most cleaning surface preparation, leaving no traces of mill scale and rust. Okay. That's all for now, guys. So next session will be uploaded soon, and as I said you in my previous video that I am updating daily shorts in regards to glossary or terms that we use in steel detailing. So please follow the shorts also.